Our innovative tile fan is specifically designed for suspended ceilings. Perfect for small rooms, basements, and office centers, this single fan covers up to 144 square feet of space. Enjoy the cost savings in rooms where traditional ceiling fans would be impractical due to headroom. Our tile fan fits a standard 2x2 ceiling grid and can be used with 2x4 grid systems by simply installing a 2-foot grid divider. And at just 11 pounds, there's no need for an additional support system. The fan is powered by a 110-volt household current with an easy 2-wire electrical connection. It comes complete with remote control and batteries. Use the remote to select the speed of the fan and the rotating function of the airflow diffuser. We think you'll find our innovative tile fan to be a very cool addition to your home or office.